Hey everyone, again we're still doing number 13, and I thought again I should play around with nested for loops, right? Again, feel free to simply skip this video because it applies something that is not covered in the goddamn textbook number of rows. However, I'm telling you guys, this stuff right here is gonna come in handy down the road, okay? So as for my outer loop, I'm gonna have a variable called I, and then on my range function I'll pass rows. Okay, now as for my inner function in range, I'll pass j, not ji. And then rather than printing an asterisk a certain number of times, I'll simply print it only once. And then I'll set my separator argument and my end argument as well. Okay, once I'm done doing that, and once I'm done with the current line, I go to the next one. Okay, let's hit the run button and see what we get. There we go again with people yelling. Again, you guys, my bad in regards to these people yelling non-stop. Okay, but then again, I don't have too much of a choice, because if I work indoors, I find myself falling asleep, okay, which makes me less productive. Really? Where did I mess up? Oh, that right is supposed to, it seems like we're having an infinite loop. That right is supposed to be -1, not 1. If it is 1, we're gonna have an infinite loop. Boom. Okay, we're getting the exact thing we want. We can put whatever number we like. Number like 20 will do it as well. As you can see, you guys, it seems like we have a working solution. So this is gonna be it. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.